how's it going? Alright, this has already got the lye in it. I'm making bergamot tobacco. It smells lovely. It's very yellow, but it's really nice. It's got like you can smell the bergamot in it, but then it's got like, I don't know, these woody notes. It's very nice. I like it. It's not something that I would think I would like, but I've smelled things with tobacco in them before and I really like them, so I must like the tobacco smell, not tobacco. Alright, so I've got brown and orange. I've got this gorgeous, don't know, because I've never used it before, mocha, alright, which is glorious. And then I have Tangelo, which I have used many times before, which is just like, it's not orange like orange pop. It's got more sort of, it's more toned down than that, and I thought these two would play nicer together. Let's put that back up on my wall of mica and try to not to slip over on the stupid floor. I've tried to keep this reasonably cool because I don't know what this does. I have absolutely no plans. This afternoon was all about just make some soap. Does it? Just need to make some soap. So that's what I'm doing, just making soap. I would really like to make like an angled layered soap, but I don't know what it's going to do, so we'll see how it plays, shall we? All the bubbles. Now I know there's a little bit of something floating around in there. What it is, it'll be a bit of poppy seed. I made Dirty Man and Grotty Girl the other day, and I haven't cleaned the water out yet, which means there is poppy seeds in this thing. So every time I clean the stick blender, it ends up with poppy seeds on it. Doesn't clean it then, obviously, does it? Alright, I'm going to put all of this in here and just take my chances and see what shit happens, and yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, so today is the day of well-behaved fragrances, I do believe. Because that is insane. That whatever that is annoying. Alright. So weird. All these fragrances that I expect to not behave, and they've just behaved really well. I mean, what's the worst that I've had so far is, I think the Frangipani had a little bit of ricing, didn't it? And it went away with a quick stick blend. So, yeah. So, really? Who knows? It's very hot though, and I didn't start very hot, so that's weird. That colour is fabulous. I love it. This colour's fabulous too. Okay, this smells really nice. You're not getting it's more floral now, and now it's thickening. Okay, well, alright. Well, I'm going to do layers then with this, just simple ass layers. I'm going to do this brown on the bottom. So, come here. And then over there. Seriously? Oh my god. Oh my god. It's just too much for me. It's too much for me, guys. I'm tired. I want to go home. I need to go and buy some Pepsi because I have none. Pepsi Max. Got to drink Pepsi Max. I love the Pepsi Max. Oh, I had now what did I have yesterday? Pineapple Fanta. God, it was good. And Brie got Dr. Pepper. That stuff is foul. I don't know how you drink that shit. Ugh. No, I don't like anything cherry because I don't like cherry. Obviously. because that was disgusting. And you got cherry cola, which I'm assuming I will hate as well. Well, I also don't like Coke, so get down there. Yeah, this is setting up too fast. I'm not going to do anything with this other than just pour it in. I will do it on the stick blender. No, I won't do it on the stick blender. I'll do it on the spatula. How's that sound? That's a lot better idea. So, oh crap. So I am absolutely crazy about the new EXO song, Obsession. I am obsessed with it. Funnily enough. Oh, Kai. I'm obsessed with Kai. It doesn't even matter about EXO. Although, I think I've been sleeping on Baekhyun because he's pretty cute. But, you know, the song's pretty awesome. So, I mean, I've been an EXO fan for 6, 7 at least years. For quite some time. But, yeah, I think that they're really coming into their own now. I feel like, especially this new concept that they've got going on, this fighting against one's inner demons. It's pretty cool. I like it. And I like Kai a lot. And that I get to see him in both Super M and EXO is great. I'm enjoying that. But, yeah, no, it's a good song. It's real catchy. So that's my I'm obsessed with. I just listen to it every single day. But that's me. If I get obsessed with a song, I will just pretty much listen to it constantly. That's just what I do. And I've always been like that. So I don't know if that's normal or not. I don't even care if it's normal or not. So that's what I do, and I'm happy with it. And that's whatever it is. Come on, go on you gets. Oh, I knew this would be hard. Oh, you bastard head. I was going pretty fast. I wasn't fast-assing around. I mean, I was talking about Kai, but, you know. Come on, loosen just a little bit for me. Come on. Yeah, it's not going to loosen. That's not going to loosen at all. That's like supersonic hard. That makes no sense, does it? Supersonic hard, right? Yeah. Okay, so we can safely say that this accelerates trace. I think I might be able to get it to look reasonably decent. I don't know what it's going to look like in the middle when I cut it, but ah well. We got it in there, guys. That's all that matters. We got it in the mould. That maybe not so much. But we got this in here, so get in there. Yeah, see, look, it's in there now. There you go. It's all done. It's all in the mould. Easy peasy. I don't know what you're worried about. Oh dear. Yeah, you guys are all sitting there going, stop waffling about a boy who's half your age now, and like literally half my age. Just concentrate on your soap. I'm like, no, I'm going to stand here and think about Kai. You'll know, like, I say this stuff, I don't actually want to do anything. Like, it's just talk. Because it's like, you know. Yeah, no. What the hell would I have in common with a 25-year-old? No. He's so boring to talk to. He's no world experience. Like, no, definitely not. But he's very nice to look at. Okay, that's awesomely boring. I got something. I have this quite nice. No, that's purple. Shit. Oh, that's gold. Oh, for God's sake. We've got nothing. I've got nothing, guys. I really have nothing. I thought my headlights were on. The sun's shining into my headlights out the front of the shop. I don't even have anything I can sprinkle on there, do I? Bones. Pretty things. Love hearts. Yeah, no. I've got nothing. Nah. Okay. Gold it is. Gold it is. Need a spoon. Oh, that's awesome. I can't sprinkle gold nicely to save my friggin' life. Also, the fan's on. Oh, it's so bloody hot. I'd say it'd have to be 29 in here, at least, at the moment. Which is particularly unpleasant. Because I have 3 crock pots. No, 4 crock pots full of wax. That live in the inferno room, as I like to call it, along with the fridge, which is an old fridge, so it puts off heat as well, and then the microwave, which I've been heating up friggin' wax, no, whatever that stuff is that you make soap out of. Come on guys, my worms are not working. That's what Bruno call them, worms, when you can't talk, it's your worms aren't working. Or like Evelyn and Kate say, no, Caitlin and Evan, Jesus Christ, my words really aren't working. Words are hard. I need one of their t-shirts so bad. If they were in Australia, I'd probably buy one. Well, this is like the most stupid amount of friggin' glitter. That's my phone going off again. Who knows what it is this time. Oh, fine, I know. There's Vodafone reminding me that my bill's due in 3 friggin' days. Like, go away. I know it's due. I'll pay it when it's due. No, I don't like any of that. That just looks shit. But whatever. It is what it is. It's very sparkly. Alright, well I guess we'll see how bad the insides of it are tomorrow when I cut it. Alright. Ta-da! Hello. Now, I have super low expectations for this one. I'm rushing now because I have to open the shop in 6 minutes. And I haven't done anything, so. But I guess it's also my shop, and if I open it late, it doesn't matter. But yes, I mean, I was kind of worried about all of the soaps, to be honest, but I think this one is the one that's probably going to be crap because it set up so fast. Okay, well it discolours. Wow, it really discolours. Look at that. That's insane. That middle bit, I didn't colour it at all. That was that colour. Holy crap. I'm going to take this out now. Yeah, look. What the hell? Wow. Alright, we're going to have a look at the inside of this. I can tell you that mocha on the bottom is very nice. I do like it. I was just checking to make sure I was actually filming. I still think the top's super boring. Wow, honestly, that's stunning to me that has changed colour so dramatically. What is this? I don't even know what this is. Bergamot tobacco. There you go. Wow. With sort of glycerin-y rivers things happening. It hasn't made this Tangelo, and it hasn't really made that much darker. I absolutely love this friggin' mocha. I'll be using that again. That's beautiful. I'm gonna make a soap with latte and mocha in it. I think that would be very, very nice. And actually, whatever the hell, if that's glycerin rivers going on in the middle there, I actually really like it. Because it looks like a desert scene. What do you reckon? Very deserty. I didn't turn the lights on, so. But yeah, I'm pretty impressed with this, considering. Put that hand down and get some more light on there. But yeah, a couple of holes. I mean, seriously, that we got away with like one hole, I think is pretty good. This colour though, love this colour. So yeah, and yes, it just was too heavy and too set up. I knew I wouldn't get consistent layers, and that, yeah, this banding is really cool. I like it. Well, there you go. 3 soaps with 3 unexpected results. Whilst soaping also gave me some unexpected results whilst cutting. So, go you, soap. You're awesome. You're all awesome. And I think a couple of little holes, but nothing to worry about. There you go. And the gold, on a single bar, the gold actually doesn't look too bad. So, alright, well that's it for my soaping adventures today. I'm going to try and make some more this afternoon. I'm not sure how that will go. But I'm better go and write down what I actually made yesterday. So we know when it's ready to be wrapped. Alright guys, I will see you for the next one. Bye.